Hi, I'm Ron Martin, here with your Shipley Energy Market Rundown. July brings vacations, time by the pool, and cold lemonade for people across the country. In energy, July brought even further drops in gas and power pricing and increases in oil prices. The 12-month forward PPL curve started at 4.38 cents per kilowatt hour and closed at 4.26 cents. This is the lowest point since the early days of COVID. July 2024, which previously had only briefly gone below 7 cents, closed at a new low of 6.51 cents per kilowatt hour. In natural gas, the August 2023 NYMEX Natural Gas contract expired at $2.49 per million BTU. This is the lowest settlement price for an August NYMEX contract since 2020 and is down over 70% from last year's August settlement price of $8.68 per million BTU. The natural gas supply market is in a period of low prices thanks to strong levels of natural gas in storage and more than enough available production to meet current demands. Natural gas in underground storage is currently 18% higher than last year at this time. With ample levels of gas in storage, there is less concern for supply shortages during the peak winter months. Looking ahead into 2024 and beyond, there are multiple liquefied natural gas export projects expected to begin service. The U.S. is already the largest exporter of liquefied natural gas in the world, with export levels increasing by 12% within just the first quarter of 2023 alone. In petroleum, oil prices rallied to a 3-month high and recorded their largest monthly gain since January of 2022, supported by signs of tightening global supply and rising demand through the rest of this year. Oil prices are still set to rise in the second half of 2023 as supply struggles to meet demand felt by recent supply cuts from OPEC Plus and Russia. There are signals China will implement policies to revive economic growth, pulling more supply out of the market to meet growing demand. Earlier in July, Saudi Arabia announced it would extend its 1 million barrel per day production cut through August, and Russia pledged to cut 500,000 barrels of crude oil output in August. These cuts in production are contributing to the rise in prices at the pump and for the end user. Stay tuned for more energy market updates. Thanks for listening.